Firstly, open the boot. Use the tool to remove the screws. Take the whole trunk off. Marking the height of the original lock position, use a tool to remove the latch. Place the electric suction lock in front of the original latch. Adjust the right position. Screw. This is what it looks like installed. Secure the motor as well. Connect the negative terminal to the H wire. Note that the red harness is positive, the black harness is negative. Finally, just restart the vehicle as arms with the touch of a button.